physical fourth year, and this is my project, the bird species identifier, and I am from team 6. Firstly, my project statement is, if you like any bird, if you kept that bird in my project web page, then you will know that bird, that species, and also that habitat, the behavior, everything. So this is my project statement. And when coming to I done a project, the challenges I am solving is, these are 3 challenges: manual identification struggles, and species complexity, and time consuming process. Firstly, when coming to manual identification struggles, actually the traditional birds, there are many birds here, traditional birds and also the species birds and everything. So in that you can get a challenge that to identify which bird belongs to which species. And when coming to species complexity, in our world there is 10,000 over birds, and they suffer to identify which bird belongs to which species. So it's called species complexity. And then coming to time consuming process, here when we research about the bird, it takes a hours. So it's called time consuming process. Our innovative solution for these challenges is, firstly, we done a project in similar types, that means similar steps. So we done in 4 steps. The first step is upload image, and second one is AI analysis, and third one is species recognition, and fourth one is speech tuning. When coming to first upload image, when you like any bird or you want to know about the species of the bird, you can click that image and upload here. And then when coming to AI analysis, the AI will recognize the bird species and also habitat, and what the bird will do, and also lifespan of that bird. So in this AI analysis, it will do that process. And when coming to species recognition, then here the challenge will solve, and also here we know about the species, what the bird is. And finally, the experience. Here we know about the habitat of the bird and diet and behavior, and also some status information of the bird, overall the bird species. And when coming after that, in my project, the system architecture overview of my project. These are 3 types. That means in 3 process we have done this project. And first one is front-end layer, and back-end processing, and data management. When coming to front-end layer, we have done by using HTML, Alpha, CSS, and JavaScript and Java. So by using these all technologies, I have done a front-end layer to be very impressive. And when coming to back-end process, I have used Python for this because it's very easy and also very easy to implement everything. So here I use the server-side logic for solving the problem and everything regarding the project. And when to data management, I have used MySQL and also MongoDB because it's very easy to use, and also you can easily retrieve the data and species information of bird. And also here we have used the machine learning models and also deployment, the final step of this project. And deep learning model, because we use the CNN for image classification and everything, for image retrieval we have used CNN with using TensorFlow and PyTorch. And also when coming to cloud deployment, I have used the AWS, Azure, and Azure reliable performance for the global accessibility, because this project should be accessed by everyone. So it's not restricted for the any age members. So I have used the AWS and Azure for retrieving the data for any age. These are the key applications features. In this there are 4 applications, that means instant recognition, high accuracy classification, comprehensive species database, and also intuitive design. First one, the instant recognition. Because when you upload or when you take a picture and when you upload that in our website, you can get instantly the output. That means you know instantly the species and habitat and everything about the bird information. And when you come to high accuracy, here we have used several models, deep learning models and machine learning models for extensive dataset engine. And when coming to the comprehensive species database, here we have used the access detailed information of the habitat, feeding behavior, the lifespan of the bird. And the last one, when coming to intuitive design, here is a clean interface which is very useful for the everyone, and also the bird watchers. It's very helpful you are the bird watchers who you love the birds. This is the workflow. Here we have done in 4 types, that means in 4 processes we have done. The first one is data set collection. Here we have collected the more data sets which is useful, and also to review data more. And when coming to CNN, because we also know about the machine learning model CNN, because CNN is used for the image classification and everything. So we have used CNN model. And when coming to web framework, that means web framework integration, it's used by API. We have used API which is not which is not served and everything. So the database implementation, here we use the structured storage of details. That means first what the species is, and also the amount of information about the bird, and next one is the conversation details of the bird or species. These are the research and performance of the project. That means the future enhancement of our project. Here we are working for doing the 94% of model accuracy, and we also working to get the instant results. That means it's less than 2 seconds response time. But also we are using more data and everything for 500 plus species coverage. These are our future enhancement, and we are working for that. Till now I have explained all about the presentation, that means about my project in detail. Now I want to explain the code format, that means what I have worked. Now I want to tell in detail manner about by using code and everything. I just want to show what the output you will see when you have get into my web page. First, here I have used multiple models, and in that model I have used the style for the CSS and color also, and images for retrieving the data. That means when you get image, then you will get data. So I have generated many images here, and in uploads also I have generated many images. And here the code, first of all I have imported OS for database and everything, and also I have used the frameworks like Torch and Flask and everything. So this is the code, and I just want to now I want to show what the code you will generate and everything. In this we also use the everything, and now you will see this like the web page. Here we have shown home, about, identify now, and also contact. Now it's the about page. Here you will know what my project is in a detailed manner, and here we know about the 4 steps what I have told recently. And now identify. We have to choose a word, and next the screenshot what we take in data set, and now it's download. Okay. It will read the data by using the code. And now see, this is the output, overall output. I have told recently that everything we will and also have I told it
మామూలుగా చెప్పాను.
It predicts the location and food and also the specialty of the bird. Now you can also try another image. It is not restricted that you have to use one image. You can use multiple images once. So now after getting the all details about one bird, you can try another image. See, now when you choose another bird, it can give any other. Now it will open, and also you get the details about the bird. I told previously that location, food, and specialty of the bird. This is the details about the bird, what you want to know. And next one, if you want to contact that, if you have any issues regarding my web page and everything about the project, you can contact me. You can also give the details about you, like your name, email, and also what your thought. What this website is good or not. You can give solutions for us, so we can do more verifications to a project for getting more specialty. So this is my project. This is the message what you have sent. So we can get that you can get what you want.